This is Birmingham. Alright, welcome. As you can see, we have to see today how Birmingham is at this. Is that 2 o'clock? Yeah, around 2 o'clock. Whatever I can do, like, so today, like, there's not a bunch of people. This is a like normal day. So in this part 1, this is how it is. But when it comes to part 2, bro, you don't even try to come this place on Sunday if you are not ready for party. Sunday, Saturday, you see this area, if you in Birmingham City Center Station. As you can see, we're gonna walk around and look how it is. Right, as you can see, this is where people buying Gucci designers are living. As you can see my man over right here. You can see right now. So I'm going to show you the Gucci one. You never mind. You're not trying to buy expensive things. You can see this is the. I'm close to the Gucci. You see? So I'm going to show you a lot. That never mind. Like, we've been in a classic place. Expensive. Look at this place. It's not easy. Oh, thank you. So I'm getting introduced with this. You know, like, I'm in a movie. So never mind. As you can see in this place, we had a lot to say, a lot to do. But I'm going to show you so much. Babies. What the hell is that? Awesome. Jimmy. It's all about expensive. If you try to buy expensive thing, you have to come here. You have to come. This is not for me. I can do that, but.